Today I'm starting on the overhead cabinets, and I've worked out a way to use the battens and hang the cabinets off this batten and sitting on top of this. So essentially this is a little module or pattern. It sits there like that. Okay, there'll be a divider between them, and then there'll be another one here with the doors in between. So it simplifies the whole process. There'll be a panel board that runs along the back here, so that's not involved in the structure of this. It's secured to those batten quite tightly, and then that sits over the top.